Hello my friends, welcome back to a new video. I was gonna say a new vlog, it's not a vlog, but we are on the road. So we are on our way to a wedding, aren't we, Paul?
Yep.
And it's not that far from where we live, but traffic in England is something else. But that being said, we thought we would show you some of the scenery, take you along. We're not gonna be bringing you to the wedding. Maybe we might show you the room, but the car is a state. Well, do you remember when I first moved here? Or no, the first time I came here, and then I came back the second time. Paul literally had the same garbage and the same parking tickets and stuff in the car. And when I came back 3 months later, they were all still here, weren't they? Weren't they?
No comment.
So if the car was messy before,
It's terrible now.
look at all of that back there. It is rammed.
Yeah, and we had to drive through the forest
Yeah,
to get here, so
yeah.
it's not in the best condition.
You can really see the difference in my extensions in this light.
Yeah, that was good day, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was nice.
Really enjoyed it.
Good. Now we're gonna head back to Bristol.
No USB device.
And you're gonna go to work and your car is gonna get detailed.
Yep.
Wow, what a treat.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me? Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting. No.
Okay, the car is finished. What do you think?
It's brand new.
Does it?
It's unbelievable, yeah.
Are you gonna keep it this way?
I might be giving them a call.
Okay, what's their service like? Is it affordable?
Yeah, so I was just having a look, and it starts from £33 in and out. Then their premium is £66. Premium Plus, £88. And then Premium HD from £165. But that is unbelievable. If you're going to sell your car or anything like that, honestly, give them a call, because they'll make it look brand new and you might get a few more pounds for it.
And I also like the aspect of it that it's like sustainable, because they're not wasting a ton of water or running your bill up.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, I didn't see any of what he was doing there, but for me, it was brilliant, because he turned up, I went to work, I came home, and I had to pop out quickly after work, and the car was like absolutely sparkling. So, yeah, I'm really pleased with that.
So you're happy?
Yeah.